Waco Jewelers started in June of 1995 and we're celebrating 30 years. My father was in the jewelry business and I can remember going to his jewelry store and watching his jeweler and actually helping him in his jewelry store. He had Temple Jewelers and Belton Jewelers, and that's where I really fell in love passionately with the jewelry business. And I knew from that moment on that's exactly what I wanted to do. We specialize in pretty much everything. Of course, bridal is one of our biggest specialties. All of the girls here, they definitely know the questions to ask and help look for possibly a bridal ring or say a birthday or anniversary or any kind of special event or occasion. Tennis bracelets are really popular now, diamond ear studs, right-hand rings. Those are really good staples that someone could wear every day. A lot of our customers maybe say they inherited jewelry from their grandmother, their mom, dad, whatever. They come in like, we don't know what we want to do with it. We've got a state-of-the-art shop back here. We have a 3D printer, and then we do casting. I've got a casting machine that's state-of-the-art. So we've got a really great shop back here that we can pretty much create and do anything for anyone. I just want to thank all of our customers and friends and even family that knows, maybe not necessarily myself, but maybe someone that I know or my family member, and they really trust us and support us through, our name and this business that we built. What I love about Waco is community, caring, giving, loving, considerate. Being in Waco now, I feel like we're at the forefront of the growth of the central corridor of I-35. We should feel lucky to be in Waco because Waco's such a great place. I think it's a great place to call home.